Mr. 300C in the building. Yo, it's a hot day here in Utah. Over 80 degrees. Sunny. Beautiful. Love it. Y'all know what we're doing today. We are cleaning out the engine bay. Look how filthy this dirty thing is, man. Had this car for about a year now. Well, a little bit over a year. And I need to degrease this bad boy. I don't know how I'm gonna clean this part. I don't even know what kind of material this is, felt or foam. Maybe the degreaser can clean that up and I can scrub it. But I want to clean that up, clean all this nastiness out. I'm even gonna clean underneath the engine bay cover. So I'm gonna take that off, clean in there. But I went to O'Reilly's Auto Parts. I went here and got some Purple Power cleaner degreaser. So this is some good strength here. This is like $5. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started and get this thing underway. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do, I took off the engine cover and I'm gonna go clean that one first. So I'm gonna move to the shade. Alright, took off the Hemi cover and I'm gonna spray this down, let it soak for a few minutes, and then I can get my scrubbing brush that I bought from the dollar store and get that handled. So those are my cheap little brushes I got from the dollar store. Save your money, go to the dollar store, y'all. And this should do the job. Got my towels, so let's get popping. So I'm only going to spray the plastic pieces, the foam portions. I'm not worried about too much. I just want to get all the plastic areas, get those sprayed with the degreaser, and then I can scrub those and wash it all down. All right, inside of the cover is clean. I'm gonna let this air dry in this hot sun. I'm starting to sweat already, but we'll come back and look at everything. All right, time for the nasty part. Okay, so one thing you guys got to be aware of, make sure you are not getting your electrical parts and components too wet. So that's especially for the alternator. You can see down there, make sure that doesn't get soaked up. Be careful on your circuit box here, of course, and check for any other wirings. If you have any open wirings, be careful not to get water on those, of course. So I'm gonna spray areas at my discretion. I'm not a professional, of course, so please be advised. This is how I'm doing it. I'm gonna take care of all these different areas here, up here, under the hood, and get that sprayed, and then I'll start scrubbing. Man, it is baking out this joint. All right, so I scrubbed the main areas that I wanted to. The engine cover is going to go over top of the motor, so I scrubbed the main big pieces. I'm not trying to get too detailed, just trying to clean up all the dirt and grime as much as I can. It's an old car again, 12 years old, so I'm not tripping. I scrubbed a little bit up here on the hood, so I'm gonna wash everything down now and put the cover back on and call it a day. All right, wash down the Hemi. Got all the main areas. I think I got some of that spills and stains on the top of the cover here for the hood, but we'll see when this dries. Okay, so basically now I'll let this keep dripping, and I'm gonna go put back my engine cover on the car. I'm gonna turn the engine on, and I'm gonna go get a car wash on the outside too. That way the heat can kind of help dry up all the water in here. So it looks better from now. Hopefully I got a lot of the dirt and grease and stains out. I know there's some deep dirtiness I'm not gonna get out, but that's okay. Just wanted to touch this up a little bit, make it look nice and better than it was before. So I'll show you guys the end results later. Here it is. Clean the engine bay. Not perfection, but that's not what I'm looking for. Just wanted to clean up a little bit, make it look a little bit better. Job well done. No concerns, everything still works. Just got a fresh car wash. So the car is clean, styling and dialing. All right, y'all. Let me know if you got any questions. Mr. 300C is out. Peace.